email inboxes can be overwhelming sometimes. Stuff happens. Emails start piling on. Our email inboxes could be overwhelming sometimes. Stuff happens. Emails pile on, and before you know it, your email inbox is looking like something out of an alien scene. And dealing with the stress of handling all those emails can feel like you have your very own chest burster. So today I'm going to show you how to clean and organize your Gmail by introducing a little evolved inbox zero. But first, let's hear from the person who introduced this brilliant concept.
Hey guys, I'm Merlin Mann, a productivity expert and creator of the Inbox Zero concept. As a hard approach to managing your emails, Inbox Zero is designed to keep your inbox clear or almost empty so that you don't have to stress over email engagement. The term zero isn't about the number of messages in the inbox, it's about how long it takes to use the inbox. I coined the term based on the time it takes to check your to-do list and your emails so that you can save time and worry in the long run.
Hey everybody, you're in my computer now. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Gmail. And you'll notice once you have your Gmail open that it's going to look kind of crazy. And bear with me, I know that your inboxes are usually in the 1,000 range. I cleaned my Gmail not too long ago, but trust me, that number where you see 119, it used to be like 20,000. But I used the inbox zero method and cleaned it up, and it was phenomenal afterwards. But okay, let's get started. So you'll see that my Gmail is kind of messy. It's pretty crazy. You have all these promotional emails mixed in with personal emails. And shout out to my friend Sarah because she sent me junk emails. She sent me some hilarious stuff. But yeah, you'll see all these promotionals mixed with personal emails. And you'll see how there's hundreds of pages of emails. This one only says 136 pages, but trust me, it'll get crazy. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings tab. You're going to click on settings. You're going to go to your inbox. And right here, you'll see all these little tabs, these little categories. The primary tab is basically the tab it's your most important tab. It's the tab that is going to contain all your personal engagements. It's going to contain all your human engagements, emails that you want to answer almost immediately. Social is going to deal with your social media stuff like Facebook, Instagram, all that kind of stuff, LinkedIn. Promotions are going to be promotional emails that you get from like the stores. If you ever signed up for anything, that's where that's going to go to. Updates are going to contain any type of updates, and if you're a Mac user, you're going to get emails for software updates all the time. So you'll definitely want to have that tab open so all those emails can filter into that category. Forums is a tab that isn't used very much. Forums is basically for mailing list stuff. If you ever get into some kind of group stuff, that's where all those emails go. But you're going to want to check off all these boxes. Then you're going to go down and hit Save Changes. When you hit Save Changes and it takes you back to your inbox, you'll notice how the number now went from 119 and went down to 9. These are all emails from humans. They're human engagements. They're emails that I want to immediately answer or immediately respond to. And you'll see how the social emails are filtered into this category. Promotions filtered into the promotion tab, updates into the updates tab, and then forums. You see how my forums tab is empty. I'm not really part of any kind of mailing list. You manage to use the Gmail algorithm to filter and separate all your emails to make them more manageable. Now, getting your email to this point is already huge because we've set Gmail to automatically organize incoming emails so that your human-to-human communications are front and center. But we're not done yet. Remember, our goal is to achieve inbox zero by checking that tab off, making sure every single email is selected. Then we're going to go to Move To, and you'll see all these little boxes are all folders that I've made before. But all these emails that you've checked off, you're going to say create new, and let's create a new label. Let's say October 2018 sweep. You don't need to nest anything under anything, just make sure all those emails get sent to that folder. Then you're just going to rinse and repeat for the rest of these tabs. Click this box, move to October 2018 sweep, promotions, same thing. Now I'm glad this popped up because this is an interesting little selection. Whenever you hit this little box and it checks off all your emails, what this little thing does is right now only the 50 selections on the first page are selected. What you want to do is you're going to select all 81 conversations in the promotions tab. Now all of the emails that are in the promotions tab are selected, not just the ones on the first page. So then move to October 2018 sweep, confirm bulk action, make sure you hit OK on that. So rinse and repeat, select all, move to October 2018 sweep, and there you go. Congratulations, you are now at inbox 0. Now all those emails that we took off of here, they're not trashed or deleted. All we've done is moved them to a folder called October 2018 sweep. So now you can get to them whenever you have the time. All right, guys, so now that you're at inbox 0, now you're ready to handle any kind of email that comes in. Now I have this email from Zachary Wiles, and now I can get to it immediately and answer it. Yes, I did. Boom. Send it back, and now your email is managed. Or you could just take the lazy way, just select all your emails and mark all as read. Now, if you're asking yourself why this is important, what we've accomplished here is that you've managed to get your emails manageable. And so inbox 0 is not about how many emails you have, it's about the time it takes you to use the inbox and getting that time to 0. And this allows you to get to the emails that actually matter. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, let me know. If you hated this video, let me know. If you have any questions about the idea of inbox 0, let me know. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our next video coming up. It's gonna go over how to engage people using your email and how to talk to them and how to make them feel a certain way. And we're gonna introduce a little concept called enchantment, which is a cool concept in and of itself. But thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you later.